शतकोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलाभ श्री भक्तिविज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज एवं समस्त उपस्थित संस्था वैष्णव चरण कमल विराज
Today, in front of you,
दो प्रकार की उपासना के बारे में बताया.
two types of upasana.
सारसिक उपासना,
One is Sarasik upasana
मंत्रमयी
and
उपासना.
another is Mantramayi upasana.
सारसिक उपासना के बारे में उत्तम भागवत,
Sarasik upasana, Uttam Bhagavat, Ashtakaliya Leela will always be remembering and thinking about Krishna.
अपने रस के अनुसार
As per the ras, his capable ras,
आदि को जो है स्मरण करना.
he will always be remembering Krishna's pastimes.
सख वात्सल्य और माधुर्य भाव
Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya and
जिस रस में
Madhurya
साधक
Bhav.
होते हैं उस रस की स्थायिता में आकर
As per the taste of the ras,
वह समस्त
that particular sadhak will always be remembering the different pastimes of Lord Krishna, and naturally the heart will be cleansed.
जिससे भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
Like how Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Bhajan Rahasya Granth, he has mentioned all these things, and especially
कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी
Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami and Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in Sri Krishna Bhavanamrita Granth, Govinda Lilamrita Granth and other Granths, they have explained this, like how this Sarasik Bhava, as per this Ashtakaliya Leela and Bhajan, they will do.
और दूसरी
And
बात मैंने
secondly,
बताया जिसे कहा जाता है मंत्रमयी उपासना.
Mantramayi Upasana.
शास्त्र की बात भागवत के एक एक श्लोकों के लेकर के भगवान की विविध लीला आदि.
Taking the Bhagavatam, each verses, they are remembering the pastimes of Lord Krishna. For this, it is called Mantramayi Upasana.
जिस प्रकार सुंदर रूप में
Like how in the beautiful,
माला गुजने के लिए
they prepare a garland of flower.
तो क्या करना चाहिए?
What we should do?
बगीचा में सुंदर सुंदर
First, we should pluck the flowers from the garden,
फूल को संग्रह करना पड़ता
varieties of flowers.
है. और इसके पश्चात
And after this,
भावना के अनुसार वो माला गुंथना चाहिए.
you will tie all the flowers into a mala.
आदमी के गले में सुशोभित हो.
Into the neck of Lord Thakurji, you will decorate this.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, a sadhak,
भजन साधन करते करते
he by doing bhajan and sadhan,
अनेकों लीलाओं की जो है
Lord's different pastimes, he will always remember.
दास और सख और वात्सल्य
Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya, Madhurya.
श्लोक आदि को
He will be always remembering the verses from different scriptures.
जैसे छोटे उदाहरण के द्वारा मैं बताता हूँ.
You can hear. My translation is good.
मथुरा में रहने वाले
In Mathura, a person was staying.
एक फल विक्रय क्या करती थी वो? फल
One fruit seller who was residing in Mathura,
बेचारा नीच कुल में जन्म तो है ही.
although she was taken birth in the lower caste,
ब्रज में सर्वत्र जो है
but in the Braj, she used to sell the fruits.
और मथुरा के फल बेचते बेचते
And
एक दिन वृंदावन में आ गए.
while selling fruits, she once came to Vrindavan.
वृंदावन में
In Vrindavan,
आकर के
when she came,
गोविंद की महिमा को श्रवण
she started to hear the glories of Lord Govinda.
और उनके मन में एक
And in her mind, she got a desire
मुझे केवल
that
इतना ही मुझे माँ
at least once Krishna should call me mother.
देखो भगवान की महिमा सुनकर के
By hearing the glories of Lord in the heart,
के लिए जो लालसा उठा
she got a desire for attending Krishna.
यह मन में इतना ही भावना हुई
In her
कृष्ण
in her heart she
एक
had
बार
this
मुझे
feeling
माँ कहा करके
that Krishna at least one time he should call me mother.
आज फल बेचने के लिए नंद महाराज जी
When she came to
गृह के सामने आए
sell the fruit in front of Nand Maharaj house,
और इतने जोर जोर से कहने लगी
and
कि
she
फल लो
started
फल
to
लो।
shout loudly, "Oh, please take the fruits, please take
एक
the fruits,
केला लीजिए,
take
एक
the banana, take guava,
आम लीजिए,
take mango."
एक एक फल को नाम लेकर के
She used to call each and every fruit's name, and she used to telling like, "Please buy these fruits, please buy these fruits."
आज गोपाल माँ जसोदा के आदेश से घर से बाहर नहीं गया।
But today, Lord Krishna, by the instructions of her mother, he did not come out of the house because every day Braj gopis used to complain to Mother Yashoda
हमारे गोपाल हमारी गृह में आकर के
that your boy Krishna came to your house and he always disturbs us.
क्या तुम करते हैं?
He steals
छोटे
the
बच्चे
butter
नाखून चुरा लेते हैं, हैं? बंधे हुए बछड़े को क्या करते हैं?
and the small calves which will be tied at the side,
छोटे
he will
छोटे
remove that
बच्चियां सोते हैं,
calf and
गोपाल आकर के उसको क्या करते हैं? हैं?
and small babies are sleeping in the house. Krishna is going and pinching them.
ऐसे नाना प्रकार के
So he is disturbing in many ways.
ब्रजवासियों के तंग करते हैं। किंतु माँ जसोदा को विश्वास नहीं होता।
But Lord Mother Yashoda never believed
ब्रजवास
that
के घर में जाकर
my Krishna will do all these naughty
माखन
things.
चोरी आता है। कैसे करें? माँ जसोदा के गृह में जो मक्खन है, वो सबसे उत्कृष्ट माखन कहा है। उत्कृष्ट माखन है क्या? सबसे
And
श्रेष्ठ।
in Mother Yashoda's house, the butter was in a high quality, very best made up of very best cows.
जिस गाय के दूध जो है कमल की केसर के
Padmagandha.
भांति सुगंध अपने आप निकलता
The Padmagandha cows were there in
है। ये
Nand
गाय
Maharaj's
कौन है?
house. By the milk smell would like a lotus. These cows are only with Vrishbhanu Maharaj and Nand Maharaj. These are the best cows. So in Krishna's house, this milk which were taken from Padmagandha cows
कृष्ण दूसरी घर
are prepared various kinds of dishes.
तो फिर आप दुर्गति कैसे
So Yashoda Maya was never believing that when we have the best quality of products, why Krishna will go and steal from others' house?
विश्वास नहीं करती।
So Mother Yashoda did not believe that Krishna is going to the Brajvasi's house and stealing the butter.
हर रोज ब्रजवासी महीने
But every day Brajvasis used to come and complain
कंप्लेन कर लहना तुम्हारी बाबा आकर के
that your son came to our house and destroyed so many
और
butter
माँ
pots,
जसोदा
everything,
कृष्ण
so
के
many
कृष्ण
things.
जब नहीं जाते हैं उस घर में
So Mother Yashoda taught, okay, if my Krishna
माँ जसोदा के निकट आकर के फिर कंप्लेन करते हैं कि आज तेरे
does
खाने में
not
नहीं
go
खाने
outside, then let's see. But still the same Braj gopis used to come and complain to Mother Yashoda.
देखो कृष्ण जाए ब्रजवासी के घर में ब्रजवासी लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं
If Krishna
और
goes
नहीं जाए वो भी
to Brajvasi's house, they complain to Yashoda Maya. If Krishna does not go, then also they complain
इतने सुंदर उनकी वचन भंगी समझ
because Govinda's beautiful form
स्पीक
and his speech.
बोलने के इतने सुंदर तरीका जो है मन को मोहित करने वाले हैं।
So these things are mesmerizing the heart, stealing away our minds.
ऐसे से सुंदर शब्द
Lord's, by his lotus mouth, such a beautiful words come out. By hearing those words, the hearts of Brajvasis are melted.
अथवा जैसे शिकारी
Like how Shikari, hunter, goes to catch us the fish.
के ऊपर को डाल देते हैं
He puts the net
और फिर
in the river.
हृदय में लग जाता है। ठीक उसी
Or
प्रकार
no,
गोविंद
not the
के
fish.
इतने
He
सुंदर
puts a small kind of holder
ऐसे सुंदर मंद मुस्कान
and it will go into the heart of fish and catch the fish. In the same way, Lord Krishna's beauty, form and speech always mesmerizing this
और ऐसे
gopi's
सुंदर
heart.
उनकी आंखें
such a beautiful form, such a beautiful eyes, such a beautiful
ब्रजवासी
words.
लोग विशेष करके गोपियां
So especially Brajvasis, all the gopis, by seeing the beautiful form of this Krishna, they
और
get
विशेष करके कृष्ण
mesmerized.
के सुंदर जो मंद मुस्कान
And especially
जो भाव
Krishna's
में
very beautiful smile, beautiful
हृदय को
face,
विद्युत करने वाला,
it is like melting the hearts of Braj gopis.
इसलिए ब्रजवासी लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं
So
कि
Brajvasis,
कन्हैया हमारे
they
घर में क्यों
complain
नहीं?
that Kanaya, why he does not come to our house.
क्योंकि यह ब्रजवासी के लक्षण है।
This is the
क्षणकाल गोविंद के दर्शन
quality
बिना
of Brajvasi. Even
जीवाय
a second without having the darshan of Lord,
शून्यादि जगत सर्वं
they cannot survive. Yugaitam nimishena chakshusha pravashaitam shunyaitam jagat sarvam govinda virayana me in Shikshashtak Mahaprabhu. In this the same bhav he is telling this shlok,
थोड़ी सी समय देर हो जाती है,
that if becomes small late to have the darshan of Govind, even a fraction of second, they cannot tolerate the separation. They feel like it is like more and more years. Even 1 second they are feeling like they are spending more and more years without Krishna.
क्षणकाल से गोविंद से दूर हो जाए,
Being separated from the Lord Govinda
दुख उत्पन्न होता है,
is always
इसलिए जीवाय
generating the sadness in the heart. Their heart is so heavy, they cannot tolerate the separation of Lord Krishna.
इसी प्रकार माँ जसोदा विचार करेंगे
So in this way, Mother Yashoda started to
और
think.
गोविंद के विचार कहने लगे, गोविंद तुम आज
She said, Govinda, today you don't go to anyone's house. You have to stay in my house only. That's all.
आज माँ जसोदा के आदेश प्राप्त करके गोपाल
So by the instructions of Lord Mother Yashoda, Lord Krishna obeyed the same orders. He did not go out from the house.
माँ जसोदा के तो आदेश का पालन कर
He was thinking, oh, at least in one day, one instruction of Mother Yashoda I should follow. So by thinking this, Lord Gopal, in his house, he was staying there.
गेहूं अथवा धान होते हैं, चावल के साथ,
So some grains, and he was playing with some grains.
और कोई उसके मित्र नहीं है,
And there was no friends of Lord Krishna. He was playing alone.
अपने आंगन में गेहूं अथवा चावल के साथ क्या खेलता है?
What he was playing?
छोटे बच्चा जैसे वो
Like small kids play
बनाते
in the same way.
गृह बनाते हैं,
They make some houses, they draw some houses on their eyes, they make some designs.
के बर्तन भी बना देते हैं। ठीक इसी प्रकार गोपाल
In the same way, Lord Krishna also playing like a small kid.
आंगन में जो पड़े हुए रखा हुआ है गेहूं अथवा चावल उसके लेकर के घर बनाने लगे हैं। बालक की स्वभाव है, जब बालक अकेला
So this is the nature of kids. When kids stay alone, they play like this.
बनाया उसको फिर क्या करते हैं,
And what they do after some time, they again rub this or remove and again redo again.
परमात्मा पर स्वयं भगवान
Lord Krishna, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
इसके द्वारा भगवान क्या सूचित कर रहे हैं?
So by this, what Krishna is teaching us,
सृजन करने वाले लोग,
I am the person who is creating the innumerable universes, and I am the person who destroy the same innumerable universes. Krishna is teaching this
सृष्टि करने
through his small play.
वही
He is the creator and he is the protector
वह
or maintainer, and he is the destroyer.
बिना कोई कुछ काम ही
By his desire only everything goes. Without his desire nothing is going to happen.
भगवान की इच्छा बिना एक पत्ता तक भी नहीं।
Without a desire of Lord, even a small stone will cannot shake.
तो भगवान कृष्ण मानो आज
So Lord Krishna,
माँ जसोदा के गृह के आंगन में बैठ करके एक खेल खेल रहे हैं।
alone staying in Mother Yashoda's house, and he was playing with some rice. He was drawing some houses, some designs, and he was
आज गोविंद
rubbing this again and again.
मानो शांत हो गए।
So today Govinda was very peaceful. He was not like Chanchal going here and there, naughty things, naughty behavior.
किंतु आज गोविंद
He was not doing, but he
शांत
was
होकर के देश
very
में
peace
होकर
and
के
polite,
बस गेहूं अथवा धान के द्वारा
just playing with some grains in his house.
स्वाभाविक बाल के जैसे स्वभाव वो स्वभाव में और इतने समय वो फल विक्रयणी
So in this way, this fruit seller woman came near Nand Maharaj's house to have the darshan of Lord Krishna. So in front of Nand Maharaj's house she came and said, and she started loudly, please buy the fruits. Is anyone want to buy the fruits?
बस अमृत लीजिए
Please buy this guava. Please buy this bananas. She started to scream loudly.
फल लीजिए फल
Buy these fruits, buy these fruits.
आज गोविंद के कान में वही शब्द आकर के मान कहेंगे फल
Today, Lord Govinda's ears, it was falling. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Karmanya vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. You have right on your duty, and rewarding this, I will give. Krishna says this.
आज ये फल देने वाले कौन है
So Krishna is the person who gives the phal. Phal means a reward or the fruit of the activity.
ही तो एकमात्र फल देने
So Krishna was thinking, I am the person who gives the fruit of all activity.
इसलिए गोविंद ने क्या की
So what Krishna did?
वह खेल को छोड़ करके
He left the play
बाहर आए
and came outside.
बाहर आकर के देखा
He came outside and saw
रास्ते में
on the road
फल विक्रयणी
there was a fruit seller.
अनेक प्रकार फल के सजा के
She had many kinds of fruits and calling, please buy these fruits, please buy these fruits, please buy these fruits.
देख करके सुगंध आदि
Lord Krishna, by having the fragrance of these fruits, he started to water in his mouth. Krishna is thinking that I will buy some fruits. Krishna came out.
गोविंद के इतने सुंदर स्वर जो है और वही सुंदर स्वर है शांत जिसके फल विक्रम की कान के कान में आकर के मन इतने ध्वनि करने लगे
So, this Krishna's ear, this fruit seller shouting that please buy fruits, please buy fruits. So this is Krishna hearing, and he came out and said, give me the fruits. In a beautiful voice, he is speaking to this fruit seller. And this fruit seller saw the beautiful form of Lord Krishna. Krishna said, give me the fruits. Fruit seller, she is just seeing Krishna's beauty. And after some time, she said, listen, O kid, I came from very far away to sell this fruit. And my family is run by the profit of these fruits. Krishna said, listen, I don't have money. Please give me now. Like small kid, he is also telling, I don't have money, please give me. So how to give these fruits? She said, you have to give some money. What Krishna said? I will give tomorrow, you give me the fruits today. Today I don't have any money. Tomorrow I'll give you the money, give me the fruits. Fruit seller said, you are so small kid. Where you will remember? You will forget to give money to me. The fruit seller said, you are small boy. Today you are seeing these fruits and in your mouth there is water. And tomorrow where you will remember us? You will forget. Especially I am very poor person. and I'm very low caste person.
क्या तुम मुझे याद रखो?
Do you remember me?
कृष्ण
Krishna
आंखें छलछला कर कहने लगे, देखो
said,
मैं किसी बहुत
I will never forget anyone.
थोड़ी सी कोई मुझे दे देते हैं, मैं सब नहीं देता।
If very little service if anyone does, I remember them for very long time.
वहाँ विप्र
Sudam
क्या
Vipra,
करने गए थे?
when he went to Dwarka,
क्या चीज लेकर के गए थे?
what he took and went? He just took some flatbread rice.
ठीक नहीं था।
Even that flat rice was not so good. It was very old.
और रविंद्र ने गए
And what Krishna did?
बगल से
He snatched the flatted rice from Sudama
एक मुट्ठी दो मुट्ठी खाई,
and he took one palm, second palm, and Rukmini Devi said,
दे दिया और अधिक नहीं।
now please do stop it, my lord.
तो गोविंद की कुछ भी दे दो।
So whatever you give to Krishna, Krishna will be happy. Patram pushpam palam toyam yome bhaktya prayachati.
भगवान कहते हैं
In Gita, Bhagavan says, patra, leaf, pushpa, flower,
मैं साक्षात
whatever you give, I will accept it.
गोविंद के जो कुछ देते हैं गोविंद उसके नजदीक कितना दे देते हैं।
And if you give these things to Lord, what the Lord is giving, He is giving more and more to you.
किंतु भगवान ने किया कि झपट करके है और उनके बगल में दबा हुआ जो चुरुआ था उसको लेकर के खा लिया।
So Krishna snatched puffed rice, flatted rice from Sudama. He snatched and he started to eat.
तो मानो गोविंद उसी प्रकार ये कह रहे हैं।
So Krishna is also telling like this way, in this way only.
मैं याद
I don't forget anyone, I remember everyone.
कहने लगी, देखो
But the fruit seller is telling, listen,
छोटा बाल है बहुत खिलाओ,
today you were a small boy.
कुछ लेकर जाओ।
You get something.
मन विचार करने लगे,
Gopal started to think in his mind,
आगे आदेश तभी का आंगन में रहना, आंगन में।
mother is instructed to me stay in the house.
फिर आज मैं माँ को आदेश
I should not come out. But today I crossed the instructions of my mother and I stepped out.
फिर दोबारा जाऊं,
Again, second time I should go inside the house. Mother Yashoda
परिचारिका जो है
or the servants in the house,
देखने में तो आनी ही नहीं,
if they see me, they will never allow me to come again.
सब देखेंगे। आज माँ जसोदा वास्तव रूप में
So today Mother Yashoda in Vastav Roop,
अपने परिचारिका को सोचो, देखो आज गोपाल
she said to her servants, you all please keep an eye on Lord Krishna that he will not go outside of the house. But Lord Krishna,
गेहूं मथुरा धान लेकर के जब वो बनाने लगे
when he was playing with these
और उसमें
grains, he was observed.
देख करके सखियां विचार करके आज कृष्ण
By seeing this, all the Sakis decided that Krishna is playing here and he will not go out. So all the Sakis or the maid servants of Yashoda,
वर्णन करने
they started to speak about Lord Govinda and they were on their duties. So they did not give special attention for Lord Krishna.
कृष्ण बाहर नहीं जा रहे।
They thought Krishna will not go outside today.
इसे कृष्ण में विचार कर रहे हैं, आज माँ के तो आदेश उल्लंघन करके मैं उनके
So today, now Krishna is also thinking that I crossed the mother's word and I came outside of the house.
मेरे माँ की जो परिचारिका सखियां जो
And again, if I go inside the house, if my mother's paricharika or sakis or maid servants, if they see, they will not allow me to go outside again.
फल दे दें।
So Krishna was telling again and again, please give me fruits, please give me fruits. Tomorrow I'll give you money.
और ट्रेनिंग
So the fruit seller said, no,
तुमको देना।
you should give me.
गोपाल मन ही मन विचार करने लगे,
Gopal started to think in himself, today where should I get the money from?
कृष्ण ने क्या कि फिर दोबारा
So Krishna, what he did,
आगे और आंगन में जो चावल होता है गेहूं था ना
he came
उसको लेकर के चलने लगे।
inside the house and he took some grains and he started to walk towards the fruit
गोपाल
seller.
के ध्यान किसमें है? फल में। इतने सुंदर सुंदर
So Krishna's
फल
mind is situated on this fruit.
खाने के लिए
He wanted these fruits.
हाथ में,
So to get these fruits, he is bringing some grains in his hands.
ये तो देखो बालक जो होते हैं उनके उंगली तो ऐसे हो
But the small kids' fingers are so spreaded
जाते हैं, उंगली के
that the grains will always fall down.
अपने आप क्या हुआ?
It is spread.
और सारे गेहूं अगर हाँ
So the fingers has been spread, all the grains is falling down. What is the meaning of this?
लक्ष्मी स्वरूप है।
These grains is the forms of Lakshmi, goddess of
मन ही
fortune.
मन करेंगे गोविंद
And goddess of fortune is thinking, O Govinda,
हमें क्यों बाहर क्यों करें?
why are you taking me outside?
हम तुम्हारे आंगन पे छोड़ करके हम बाहर नहीं जा
So she is thinking like, I don't want to go outside, out from your house. So this Lakshmi, in the form of rice, she started to fall down from the hands of Lord Govinda in the house of Nanda Maharaj.
गोपाल के लक्ष्य किसमें है?
But Krishna's mind is situated in this fruit now. He came in front of this fruit seller and said, take this, some rains, and give me fruit. But in the hands of Krishna there was no grains at all. There was 1 or 2 grains present, that's all. Rest of the grains, everything was fall down.
फल बिक्री करने कहाँ है कि नहीं कुछ?
Fruit seller said, don't have anything in your hand.
ऐसा तो नहीं है, कम से कम गेहूं अगर चावल तो दे देते। गोपाल ने देखा सब सारे गेहूं
Krishna saw backside all the grains has been fall down in the
अथवा ये गेहूं चलने कहने लगे, हे माँ यशोदे, तुम्हारे बालक गोपाल
and in another sense this rice is also speaking to Yashoda like, oh Yashoda, see your small Krishna is gone outside of the house. It is a signal also for Yashoda that where Krishna going, it is showing the road or direction. So this is also speaking to Yashoda like by showing the direction, falling down each grains, like see where your Krishna is going.
चावल क्या है? लक्ष्मी स्वरूप है।
So this rice grains is the forms of Lakshmi, goddess of fortune. And goddess of fortune is also telling to Krishna, O Krishna, Govinda, please do not take me outside of your house.
जब आगे की कथा सुनाते गोपाल जब ऐसे हाथ करके
When Lord Krishna,
टोकरी में ऐसे देने लगे, कोई है ही
he raised his hands and he gave the grains, whatever grains present in his hand, to the fruit seller. And there was nothing in the grains in the hand, there were 1 or 2 grains. Now Krishna is started to cry.
गोपाल रोते रोते कहने लगे, फल बिक्री
While crying, he said to that fruit seller, give me today, tomorrow I'll give you money.
गोविंद में ऐसे सुंदर
But just by hearing these beautiful words and beautiful form of Krishna, the fruit seller said,
एक बार मुझे
you once tell me mother and sit on my lap.
कृष्ण विचार करने लगे,
Krishna started to think
ये फल बिक्री की जात
what she wants
और
from
उसके
me.
गोद में चलेंगे, कोई देख ले तो
And if I sit on her lap, if anybody sees me,
विशेष करके माँ यशोदा देख ले तो
especially Mother Yashoda,
पिटाई करे।
she will hit me from a stick.
ऐसे विचार करके पीछे की तरफ थोड़ा
So by seeing here, he saw backside,
में है ही नहीं।
nobody was there.
परिचारिका
He saw all the directions, no maid servants are also seeing.
वो तो अपनी कथा में धूम में सब
They were all submerged in their own work and activity.
गोपाल को तो ध्यान नहीं दिया।
So Krishna did not give attention.
केवली बस
They did not give attention towards Krishna.
तो कोई तो नहीं देख रहे
So Krishna thought, okay, nobody is seeing me.
हैं। गोपाल ने क्या की?
So what did Krishna did?
माँ को करके उसे गोद पर लिया।
He said, "O mother," and he sat on the lap of this fruit seller. This fruit seller
प्रेम में डूब गई।
were overjoyed and she felt in the love and happiness.
ऐसे करके किसके हृदय में आनंद नहीं आया?
By attending Lord Krishna, who will not get happiness?
आनंद स्वरूप गोविंद है।
Krishna is the form of the all blissfulness, all the happiness.
चित्त द्रवित
Her soul started to melt
समुद्र में गोता लगा,
in the ocean of bliss. she started to get submerged, this fruit seller. So Lord sits in whosoever lap. What to explain the glories of them? Brahma and other devatas, they always pray that Lord Krishna's lotus feet, let it manifest in our hearts. So our Rup Goswami Pad is writing here. Yadyapi samadhishu vidirapi pashyati tam vande Krishna deva bhavantam vande Manasamadhukaro marpita nijapada pankajam makarande Krishna deva bhavantam vande Adyapi samadhishu vidirapi pashyati Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande Vajrapi Pashyati Yadyapi Samadhishu Vidirapi Pashyati. Rup Goswami is telling the creator, Lord Brahma, he always meditates upon Lord Krishna, and Brahma's heart is always pure. There is no impurities in the hearts of Lord Brahma. So for in this pure heart, he wants the Lord's lotus feet to be appeared or manifested. What is the meaning of meditation? To manifest the desired Lord in the heart of a sadhak. Sometimes Lord also manifests his lotus feet in the hearts of Brahma, and sometimes he does not. If Krishna's toes nail, even that get manifested in the heart, what to speak. But Lord, sometimes he manifests and sometimes he does not manifest.
मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य है भगवान की चरण कमल की नखाग्र की जो छटा कितने मधुर है.
So even the small rays from the toes nail of the Lord, and this happiness, who is there to explain? Today this fruit seller woman, she got Lord Krishna on her lap. What a fortune she had, and what kind of happiness. Who can explain this happiness what she got? So today this fruit seller, she made Lord Krishna to sit in her lap. In the waves of happiness, she was submerging herself. After this, the fruit seller gave the fruits, all the fruits she gave to Lord Krishna in his Krishna's hand. So here how all the fruits came in Krishna's hand. His hand is so small. So this is transcendental.
आदि के द्वारा इस विचार करने की
We cannot think these things from our material prescription,
छोटा बाल
perceptions.
सारे फल कैसे आ गए?
How all the fruits came into the hand of this small boy. This is called Achintya Shakti, transcendental
चिंता किसे कहा है?
power.
जो हमारे
Achintya. What is
बुद्धि के द्वारा
Achintya?
हमें स्थापित करने का अचिंत खोलिए भावा तांग स्पर्केन जो प्रकृति के ऊपर विचार अचिंत संरचना अचिंत शब्द की अर्थ परिभाषा
The meaning of Achintya,
अचिंत खोलिए भावा तांग स्पर्केन जो न जोजे जो अचिंत वस्तु उसके हम जोड़िए बुद्धि विचार के द्वारा हम स्थापित करते
the Achintya things, we cannot
वो क्या है?
decide through our material concordictions.
इस जगत की ऊपर की कथा है।
It is a transcendental thing. It is not related to material.
जहाँ पर चित्त वस्तु रहा है, चिन्मय सा
Where Chit Vastu stays, where the transcendental thing stays,
इसलिए इसी
we cannot even imagine.
प्रकार
So, in this way,
ये फल विक्रमी के सारे फल
all the fruits she gave in the hands of Lord Krishna.
कर्तुम अकर्तुम
Kartum, akartum, anyata kartum is only Lord. Doer, undoer, or specially doer is only Lord.
होने बिगड़ने वाले इसमें
So he can do anything.
अन्यथा तुम जो समझते हो भगवान इतनी बच्चे भगवान तो उसी के कहा जाता है सब कुछ संभव है इसलिए किसी प्रकार
So
तर्क ना करें
do not argue or use your logics.
कैसे गोविंद के हाथ
How all the fruits came into the hands of Lord Krishna. It is transcendental thing.
सारे फल को लेकर
So here Krishna, he took all the fruits and went inside the house of Nand Maharaj.
उसी समय कृष्ण के सारे मित्रों जो है
And by the desires of Lord Krishna, all the friends of Lord Krishna came inside the house. And what did Krishna did?
सुंदर सुंदर फल
He gave all the fruits to his friends.
अपने भोजन किया खाना
He also ate
फल ग्रहण किया और
and he also gave some fruits to his friends. What a beautiful thing.
और इधर फल विक्रयणी क्या करें
Here the fruit seller, what she is doing?
सारे फल तो गोविंद को दे दिया
She gave all the fruits to Lord Krishna.
खाली वो टोकरी खाली था
Her basket was empty
और वो खाली टोकरी के लेकर चलने लगे
and she carried this empty
नहीं आ रहे क्या बोले
empty basket and she went and she started to shout loudly, "Oh, please buy Govind, please buy Gopal,
दूर चलते चलते
please buy Achyut."
उनकी जो टोकरी बहुत भारी है
While speaking this in a blissful, she was going. After going for some time, her basket became heavy and she kept down and saw
वो टोकरी में क्या भरा हुआ है
her basket was filled with gems, precious stones, gold.
क्योंकि गोविंद ने कहा
Because Krishna said,
देते हैं मैं
"Whoever gives very little, I will never forget them."
इसलिए फल विक्रयणी मन मन विचार करने लगे
So this fruit seller, she started to think, dik tang, where Krishna's darshan,
गोविंद की ऐसे सुंदर
where Krishna's beautiful voice
आज
today.
मुझे क्या प्राप्ति है कि रत्न
I got all this wealth.
इससे क्या करें
What should I do with this wealth? So what she said, she did, she just throwed all the things in Yamuna. Lal ki jai, because she wanted Krishna's beautiful form in her, not the wealth. And she became mad after Krishna and screaming in Vrindavan's roads, calling out the Lord's beautiful name. And finally, she went back to the transcendental world.
गोविंद के प्रति किसी प्रकार
So, Maharaj is telling here whoever gets Avesh to Govinda, Avesh means a special kind of attraction or attachment. One more story Maharaj is telling.
पति पत्नी
Once a married couples, they came near Seva Kund and started to stay there. just took some house in a rent and they started to stay in Vrindavan. They had some desire to stay in Vrindavan and they started to stay. But after some days,
ध्यान करो,
the wife left the body, died.
तो आप अपने पत्नी के विरह में
So husband, in the separation of her wife, he became mad.
इसमें पत्नी के नाम क्या थे?
What was the wife of his? What was the name of his wife?
क्या नाम था? कोई नाम लेकर के वो ब्रज में
And he was taking the name of her wife's name. In the Braj, he started to go in each road.
किशोरी
Kishori, her name is Kishori. Kishori.
किशोरी 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 करके वृंदावन में घूमते रहते
So this Kishori, he was screaming this name Kishori and he was roaming around Vrindavan. And one day night at 12 or 12:30
सेवा कुंड के पास
near Seva Kunj,
किशोरी किशोरी किशोरी
he was shouting Kishori, 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 Kishori and started to cry also.
किशोरी दर्शन
Kishori, give me your darshan, give me your darshan.
समाप्त होने के बाद समस्त सखियां
After the Ras ended,
चलने लगे,
all the Sakhis started to go back. Radhaji also came out along with his Sakhis, her Sakhis.
किशोरी करके
So they saw this person telling Kishori, Kishori, Kishori.
श्रीमती राधिका कहने लगी
Srimati Radhika said, Oh Lalite,
दर्शन देना,
I like to give my darshan to this person. Why?
देखो कैसे मेरे
See how he is calling my name and crying.
ललिता देवी कहने लगी
Lalita Devi said,
पत्नी के नाम तक ले,
This is, he is calling out his wife's name, not your name.
राधा जी क्या बोले, देखो
Rajaji said,
मैं सुनकर किशोरी को नहीं हो सकता,
In Braj, I am the only Kishori, no one else. This is the merciful of Srimati Radharani.
राम अपने बेटा के नाम रख
Ajamil kept his son's name Narayan. By that he attended Vaikunta. By Kishori name, why he will not get a darshan of Radharani? So Radharani came and gave darshan of to this person. Like this, many stories are there. In Vrindavan, many stories are there.
बरसाना की कथा सुना,
One more story, Barsana story.
नंदगांव और बरसाना है, यहाँ पर ब्रह्म पर्वत और विष्णु पर्वत, ब्रह्म पर्वत के ऊपर राही की विलास भूमि, क्रीड़ा भूमि,
There is Brahma Parvat and Vishnu Parvat in Barsana.
शादी करने लगे,
On the Brahma Parvat, Lord Brahma did penance
ये हमारे ऊपर आप लीला विलास दिखा,
and said to Radharani that above me you perform your beautiful pastimes. So Brahma became a mountain.
बरसाना एक तरफ है ब्रह्म पर्वत और दूसरी है,
In Barsana, one side Brahma Parvat and another side Vishnu Parvat.
और उसके बीच में जो रास्ता जो निकालता है,
And there is a between Sakri Kor, and in between road is called Sakri Kor.
शिव जी भी कम नहीं है, शिव जी
Even Lord Shiva is not less.
सेवा प्रदान करते
He is also asking, give me also some seva.
हैं, नंदगांव में आप हमारे ऊपर लीला विलास है,
I will become mountain in Nandgaon and you perform pastimes on my Parvat.
नंदगांव में
In Nandgaon, Lord Shiva became a mountain.
शिव जी पर्वत होते हैं, और बरसाना में
And in Barsana, Brahma or Shiva, Brahma or Vishnu.
ब्रह्मा विष्णु, ब्रह्म ब्रह्म,
In Barsana, Brahma and Vishnu became the Parvat for the beautiful pastimes.
कथा कितनी सुंदर है,
So in Barsana, this story is so beautiful.
बरसाना में एक बनिया था,
There was a Banya. Banya means a stingy person in Barsana
संभ्रांत धन संपत्ति सब कुछ,
who has all kind of wealth. He has 3
कुछ
sons.
समय के बाद उसके पत्नी के ध्यान करने
And after some time his wife died. All the 3 kids got married. 3 daughter-in-laws came to the house, very beautiful.
किंतु
But
उनके हृदय प्रसन्न नहीं था,
this stingy person's heart was not so pleased.
क्यों?
Why?
एक तो उसके पत्नी तो चली गई,
One, his wife is
और
already
उनके
gone,
पास
died,
कोई बेटा और 3 बेटा तो काम
and
करते रहते हैं,
3 sons always work.
3 बहू तो है,
These 3 daughter-in-laws are there,
उनके साथ ससुर के साथ नहीं बात करते,
but they don't speak with
10,000
father-in-law.
परस देते हैं,
So just they give the food, that's all.
हैं? भाई मर्यादा रहती है, बहू और सास के बहू और ससुर में
So it is a kind of respect in India.
घूर इतना तो रखते हैं, और जल्दी जरा पिताजी खाना खाएं, बस टेबल पर देख लेते हैं, ना घर में किसके साथ हंस प्रयास करना कुछ नहीं है। दुकान में जाते हैं, उनकी दुकान पर है? दुकान में जाए फिर दुकान से आए,
So
जीवन एक मैसेज के भांति होती है।
they are like machines. These sons are going to shop and coming back from the shop every day, same routine. And these daughter-in-laws, they are preparing food and giving.
एक दिन के संत महात्मा
So this stingy person was very sad. One day, a sage, Sant Mahatma,
महात्मा के देखकर
came near his house, and this person started to cry in front of Sant Mahatma. He said, "Oh Maharaj, what should I tell? What should I do?
सब कुछ है,
I have all the wealth and everything.
पुत्र भी
I have my son who is have a good qualities,
और बहुएं जो आई वो भी अच्छी है,
and even the daughter-in-laws are very happy, very good.
मेरे कोई बेटी नहीं,
But
बेटी होती
I don't have any daughters.
तो बेटी के घर में चली
If I had a daughter, at least I would have gone to my daughter's house sometime."
है, तो हमारी बेटी। संत महात्मा कहने लगे देखो
So this Sant Mahatma said, "Listen,
भगवान
you are very fortunate that you took birth in this family.
बरसाना में जाना पड़ेगा, एक ही साल में
Taking birth in Barsana is not an ordinary thing.
बरसाना में
And secondly,
सभी लोग
all
अपनी बेटी मानते
everybody thinks Radharani as her daughter. In Nandgaon and Barsana, there are two speciality. All the Nandgaon residents think that Krishna is their son. Although Krishna
नंद महापुत्र
is Nand Maharaj's son,
तथापि नंद
still the Nandgaon people, they think that Krishna is their own son.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, in the Barsana, the residents of Barsana, they think Radharani as their own daughter.
है तो विश्वनाथ महाराज की पुत्री,
She is Vrishabhanu Maharaj's daughter, but still the people think that Radharani is their daughter. So this is the faith or nishtha to the Brajvasis have.
यहाँ तक भी ये लोग की भावना है, ये हमारी बेटी की जो है,
So till here they have a feeling that
इसलिए नंदगांव के रहने
we should marry our daughter to Krishna.
बरसाने के रहने
So the people who are residing,
ऐसे कहा कि हमारी बेटी को वहीं पर ब्याह है, एक प्राचीन काल की जैसी संस्कृति है, हैं? एक व्यक्ति हाल चला रहे थे, उनकी जो है जमीन जो थोड़ा लंबी था, नंदगांव बरसाना तक इधर चला गया, हाल चलाते चलाते उनकी जमीन को दूसरी प्रकार के नंदगांव की तरफ गए, और इतनी कड़ी धूप थी, प्यास से वो मूर्छित हो गई, लोग उसके पानी लेकर के पानी को भरेंगे, ये मेरे बेटी के नहीं पर शादी कर।
so this Barsana people will not even drink water from the Nandgaon because they think that our daughter has given to Krishna. It is a kind of respect they have.
केवल विश्वनाथ महाराज की पुत्री ही नहीं,
Srimati Radhika is not the daughter of Vrishabhanu Maharaj, not only for Vrishabhanu Maharaj, she is also daughter of ours.
संत महात्मा
This is the feeling they have. So this Sant Mahatma said to this stingy person,
आप दुखित क्यों?
"Why are you worrying? Why are you so sad?
आपकी बेटी नहीं, कोई बात नहीं,
You don't have any daughter, no problem. You think Radharani as your daughter. This is Barsana, and this is very natural here."
ऐसे कहते हैं संत महात्मा ने
By saying this,
सुंदर चित्रपट राधा
Sant Mahatma gave a beautiful photo of Srimati Radharani, beautiful picture of Radharani, and he gave,
के अपने राधा जी के चित्रपट अपने राधा जी को अपनी पुत्री मानी,
and he said do this all service for this photo, thinking that she is your own daughter.
सेठ जी क्या करने लगे,
This businessman, stingy person, what he said before going to house or shop,
बिल्कुल अपने बिस्तर के सिरहाने पर रखे।
he kept the photo on the pillows
जब दुकान
on
में
the
जाने से
bed.
पहले उन्होंने चित्र
Before
पट के
going
राधा
to
भगवान की आलिंगन कर लिया।
before going to the shop, he used to hug
और
this
फिर जब रात में जब
photo.
सोते,
Before going
फिर
to the
अपने
sleep,
चित्रपट को अपने बेटी मान करके
at that time also used to think that photo as her daughter and used to hug and kiss this
तो
photo.
देखो कि आश्चर्य की बात है,
And very surprisingly,
जब सो जाते हैं
amazingly,
स्वयं राधा जी उनके सपने में आ जाते हैं।
when this person sleeps, Radharani comes to his person's dream and she used to smile.
हैं? लाडली इतने सुंदर है, आज है, और मानो इसमें भावना है, इसलिए हमारे ब्रज में कर
So in the Braj said,
चमचमाचम बोले छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले, पाँव में पालियां पकी चमचमाचम बोले छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले। मैंने बासे पूछी लाली कहो तेरो नाम रे, मैंने बासे पूछी लाली कहो तेरो नाम रे। हंसस के बतावे मोते राधा मेरे नाम बच के कीर्तन। तो मैं इसलिए सेठ जी जब सो जाते हैं उनके सपने में,
so in this way, Srimati Radharani used to give darshan for this businessman in his dreams. Such a beautiful smile,
घुंघराले वाले बाल,
such a curly hairs, such a beautiful face, beautiful eyes,
तप्त कांचन घोड़ा।
Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi, molted golden bodily color.
सेठ जी
This
आनंद में
stingy person, Sethji or businessman,
निद्रा देवी
very happily used to sleep.
हर रोज वही राधा
Every day he used to have the darshan of Srimati Radharani in his dreams.
ऐसे कुछ दिन चलने के बाद
So after some days,
उत्सव चलते रहे।
in Braj there are many kinds of festivals.
एक ब्रज की एक रिवाज है, उत्सव
In
मनाया जाता है।
Braj there is one kind of festival.
स्त्रियां जो है, लड़कियां जो है,
At that time,
अवैध सभी क्या करते हैं,
all the married women or unmarried women, they wear some special kind of dress.
तो उसके बहू कहने लगे, सेठ जी की बहू कहने लगी, पिता
So daughter-in-laws of this businessman said, today is some festival, we want to wear this special kind of dress.
बोले ठीक है।
This businessman said, okay,
मैं दुकान में जाने के पहले ही
before going to the shop,
उनको मैं बोल दूं,
there is one person on the way, I will tell him, he will come chudiya.
प्रातः काल में
Chudiya matlab हाथ वाला ना? Okay, it's not a special kind of dress. Chudiya means it is a bangles.
दुकान के रास्ते में दुकान
So this businessman on the way, he said to a shop
घर में गए।
and
आज हमारे बहू तीनों को हमारे
said to the person, bangle person, store person, he said, go and give the bangle to all my 3 daughters, daughter-in-laws, and whatever money you can come and collect from my shop.
पैसा आज अपना
So these businessmen are like this only always. They never give money first. They say, let the work done, then I will give the money, like that.
मणिहारी
So this businessman said,
5-6 बजे
you go
5 से 6 बजे दुकान बंद करने के पहले
before 5 or 6, before I close the shop, you come
चूड़ियों के जो पैसा दे दो।
and take the money of these bangles.
मणिहारी ने किया कि ठीक
This bangle person, what he did,
12 बजे
at 10, 11, 12 o'clock, he went to the house
और
and
3 बहू आ गई।
3 daughter-in-laws came.
देती होते हैं ना, इतने जो घुंघरू दे देते, तीनों बहू ने एक एक करके हाथ बढ़ाया और मणिहारी ने किया कि
So he gave the bangles for all the 3 daughter-in-laws.
ब्रज में भी कीर्तन होता है, बहुत सुंदर। ब्रज में शोर मचाया, श्याम चूड़ी बेच ली माया। मणिहारी ने किया कि 3 बहू के हाथ में चूड़ी पहनाई, 3 बहू चली। फिर थोड़ी समय में
So after
ये
some
सुंदर
time,
वाली लड़की जो है,
after these three daughter-in-laws took the bangles from the person,
इतने सुंदर जो है
one
वो
small
मुस्कान
girl
करके,
came
वो भी अपने
to
हाथ
this
में
bangle person and she also stretched her hand.
मणिहारी भी जाने लगी, इसी घर
He
की
said,
बच्ची हो,
she may be the daughter of this house.
है? मणिहारी ने क्या की,
So this bangle person, he gave bangle for this girl also.
इसके बाद शाम के समय
So evening time, when he went to collect the money from the shop, he said,
मुझे पैसा,
give me money.
सेठ जी बोला, "अच्छा, कितने पैसा हुआ?"
Said, he said, how much happened?
अरे इतने पैसे आज,
He said, this
तो
much
सेठ जी
money.
बोले, "हमारे तीन
So this
बहू
business
हो,
said, I have only three daughter-in-laws.
अरे इतने ज्यादा पैसे क्यों मांग
And why are you asking more money?
मणिहारी करने लगी, नहीं
So
तीन है,
this
नहीं चार है।
another storekeeper said, no, I gave four bangles. Four sets of
सेठ जी
bangles.
बोला, हमारे चार में तो हमारे घर में तो है ही
The
नहीं,
businessman said, I don't have any four daughters.
तीन हमारे तो,
I have only three daughter-in-laws. My wife is already died very long back.
और मेरे घर में तीन बहू है, चार
Only three daughter-in-laws are there. Where is the fourth person? You are telling lie?
मणिहारी बोले, मैं तो कभी झूठ नहीं
So the store person said, I am not telling any lie.
बोलता, मैं तुम्हारे घर में चारों की लड़ाई पूरी की,
I gave four sets of
जितना
bangle
पैसा
in your
देना
house.
है, हम कोई लोभी नहीं है।
Whatever you want to give, you give. I am not a lusty,
सेठ जी बोले, ठीक है, तीन के पैसे दे।
greedy person. So the Sethji businessman said, I will give you the three money, three sets money, and I will go to the house and I'll see who is the fourth person, and then I will give you money. So the bangle store person said, okay. He gave the money for the three bangles.
मणिहारी करा, सेठ जी भी घर
So now the businessman, he came back to the house. He was tired.
हैं? इसलिए कुछ भोजन करके
After having his meal,
कक्ष में गए,
he went to his bedroom. What he saw
चित्रपट है,
in the Radharani's photo,
सामने कुछ चूड़ियां जो है बिखरी पड़ी है।
in front of this photo, there was some bangles fall down, and the businessman started to think
हमारे बहू की चूड़ी पहनो,
that this bangle person came and gave to the my daughter-in-laws, and my daughter-in-laws keeping this bangle on my bed to show it to me.
शांत थे आज, इसलिए पूछा ही नहीं,
So he did not ask that day because he was tired.
बहू की किसने पूछा ही नहीं। इतने जो चिंतन करने लगे कि मेरे बहू जो है, ये लोग ने क्या की, मुझे दिखाने के लिए इन पर चूड़ियां रखी। सेठ जी जैसे नित्य था, जैसे कर्म आदि करके
In the next, okay, when he went to the bed and he slept.
किंतु आज सपने में राजा जी ने
So today Radharani did not come to the
हर
dream.
वक्त बस
Every day she used to come,
शांति शांत
Radharani used to come to the dream whenever he closed the eyes. But today Radharani did not come.
के साथ ऐसी बात,
And whole night he used to spend his time with Srimati Radharani
राजा जी में सुंदर स्वरूप
by seeing her beautiful form.
है, किंतु आज
But today Radharani did not come to the dream.
सेठ जी बार-बार पूछते, राजा तुम आज
So this businessman always calling, oh my daughter, why you are not coming? Oh my daughter, why you are coming? What is fault?
सेठ जी बार-बार करने लगे, राजा बेटी कहाँ गई?
So this businessman asking again and
कुछ
again.
समय के बाद
After some time,
सेठ जी सपने में देखा क्या,
he saw
राधा
Radharani little far away,
मानवती होकर के
and she was very
और
upset.
गंभीर भाव से आंख छलछलाते हुए खड़ी हुई। सेठ जी बोले, राधा क्या बात है?
So this businessman asked, Radharani, what is the
बार-बार
thing?
कहने पर कुछ उत्तर
Why you are not coming near to me? Again asking again and again, she did not give any answer.
सपने में हुआ।
Everything happening in the dream.
बोले, बेटी क्या बात हुई?
She's asking, oh my daughter, what happened? Every day you come near me. Today why you are not coming?
दूर में क्यों? क्या बात है? तुम्हारे मन में दुख है,
What happened? Why you have sorrow in your mind?
छलछला। राधा जी ने क्या किया?
Radharani, what she did?
मान भरी बात शब्द होता है, क्या बोलते हैं? बेटी तो बनाया नता नहीं निभाया, बेटी तो बनाया नता नहीं निभाया, तीन बहू की याद करेगी बेटी याद नहीं, बेटी तो
So Radharani is telling
बेटी
you
क्या
gave
है?
you gave the bangle for the 3 daughters and you forget your daughter.
तीन बहू छोड़कर क्यों चले? अरे तुम्हारे घर में मैं खान भी नहीं करूँगा, चिंता नहीं किया है? इसे कहते हैं, बेटी तो बनाया नता नहीं भाई, तीन बहू के याद करी, बेटी याद नहीं। स्पष्टीकरण कर देना है। तीन बहू के याद और बेटी का
So Radharani is telling you remember the three daughter-in-laws and you do not remember me, and you gave money for the three daughter-in-laws and you did not give money for my bangles. You made me your daughter, but you did not caring for me anything.
तीन बहू के चुनिया के पैसे देते हैं।
You gave the money for the three daughter-in-laws and me being your daughter, you did not give money for my bangles. Radharani is telling in the dreams.
राधा जी इसी प्रकार के सेठ जी विचार करने
So this businessman started to think, yeah, this is truth. Whatever it is happened is truth.
मणिहार ने कही,
The bangle store person said,
ये आपके घर में चारों स्त्रियों को भेंट
I gave 4 daughters, 4 sets of bangle. You remember 3 daughter-in-laws and 1 daughter? I am. You are not remembering me. Radharani is telling like this.
तीन बहू के याद करी, बेटी याद नहीं है? सेठ जी समझ गए।
So this businessman understood. By crying, he said, I made an offense. I committed an offense today.
मेरी क्षमा करो।
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
फिर कुछ समय के बाद
After some time, Radharani came
अच्छा ठीक है।
and said, okay, I forgive you. At that time, he got up from the sleep.
उनके आंखों में आंसू है।
Just he was crying when he wake up from his sleep.
देखा क्या? तो चित्रपट के सामने
What he saw? The bangles which were there on near the photos.
सेठ जी ने किया कि जल्दी जल्दी
What said he said? He just
मणिहारी के घर में
he just went to the bangle store person
मणिहारी के घर जाकर के कहने लगी,
and said, "Oh, bangle store person, please take this money."
मेरे तीन बहू के तुमने तो तीन कहना
I said, 3 daughters and I have 1 daughter. 3 daughter-in-laws, I have one daughter.
मुझे पैसा नहीं चाहिए।
So this bangle person is telling, no, I don't want money. I don't want money. But businessman telling, no, you should take the money.
इसके पश्चात सेठ जी ने किया कि
So this businessman forcefully gave the money to the bangle store person.
और पैसा देके जब घर में आए
And when he came to the house,
के सामने जो
the bangles which were there in front of the Radharani's photo, they were disappeared. Bihari Lal Ki Jai. So this is the pastime of Barsana.
ये ब्रज ऐसे एक सुंदर धाम
This Braj is such a beautiful place or dham where
कृष्ण के ऐसे लीलाएं
all these kinds of pastimes of Krishna is manifested. Swayam Radharani
देखो
personally how she came to the Brajvasis as her daughter, their daughters.
ब्रज में रहने पर इसमें अनेक
Many people in Braj even now feel these kinds of things.
आज तक भी ब्रज में ये कहेंगे है
Even now in Braj there are many pastimes said in Barsana.
ये सत्य है।
There are many kirtans also on these pastimes.
तो मेरे कहने की यह तात्पर्य है, देखो मंत्री उपासना के द्वारा
So by the mantramay upasana,
साक्षात में भगवान की प्राप्ति
you can have the Bhagwan in the Sakshat Roop.
उपासना में बताया, एक मंत्रमय उपासना
And Saras
सारस की उपासना।
and another is Sarasi Upasana.
इसी तरह हमारे भजन पद्धति का
So this is our bhajan paddhati.
नाम ग्रहण करते करते, नाम चिंतन करते करते
By the Nam Grahan,
समस्त लीलाओं को चिंतन करना।
doing it and remembering all kinds of pastimes.
हरे कृष्ण
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Jai 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 Jai
कैमरा में कैमरा छोटी सी किशोरी मेरी अंगना में डोले रे छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे वो छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे आओ मैं परिया बागे छोटी सी किशोरी
हरि बोल। वन महाराज जी की जय।
इस कथा को सुना दर्शना के बहुत अनेक कथा है। समय संक्षेप उनके कहाँ बोलता है बताइए कैसे सुंदर सुंदर कथा है। मैंने एक ग्रंथ प्रकाश किया मधुस्मृता, उसमें सारी शब्द
प्रकाशन हुआ हिंदी में,
इंग्लिश में
अपने मठ में अभी 10 आया महाराज।